Okay, a very warm afternoon to everybody. I hope everybody's doing good and safe. All right. So there's just one question from Manjeet Kaur if she's here. Need to see. I guess she's left. Okay. So welcome to your first talent round, ladies. I hope you guys are excited, nervous. I am really, really excited to see what you guys have to bring on board. And, it is going to be so much fun. And I hope you all are ready. Can I get a digital thumbs up for that? Great. You all look lovely, and I can see the smiles across the faces. And trust me, you guys are going to do great, perform really well. So let me just figure out some names and then we shall start. मंजीत कौर, आपका राउंड कल खत्म हुआ ना मंजीत जी? आपका राउंड कल हो गया था ना?
मुझे लिंक दिया गया है, मैडम ने लिंक भेजा है आपका फिर आज।
अच्छा, नहीं एक्चुअली आज दोबारा नहीं है, वो किसी कंफ्यूजन की वजह से आपको पिछले राउंड में एलोकेट कर दिया गया था, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप इसी बैच में रहेंगे। सो यू कैन लीव, आपका राउंड कल कंप्लीट हो चुका है, ठीक है?
थैंक यू।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, बाय। All right, so I guess we are good to go. I am genuinely very, very excited. And can I see the smiles across the faces? Yeah, come on. All of you look so, so good. So let's get started. Basic ground rules same rahenge. Nobody unmutes themselves unless asked to. Okay? And also for that matter, I will be putting a timer of 90 seconds on my end. So once, you guys complete your 90 seconds, I will have to interrupt, unfortunately. And jury members, if the participant is really busy displaying their talent, I will be doing a sign of timeout so that there is a coordination between you and me, because sometimes it's difficult to interrupt, music is on or something like that. So I request the jury members to put on their video so that finally we can begin. All right, there we have a lovely three ladies, the jury panel. First, of course, the director of the project, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, and then Miss Sia Anand, who is an image consultant, and last but not the least, Anuja Chafekar, who is a wardrobe expert and a stylist. It is an honor to have you all here. Welcome to the board, and I guess we can begin if you guys give me a nod. Thank you. So I will be announcing the sequence like 5 karke, so that you guys know कि आपकी बारी कब आने वाली है potentially. So the first 5 names would be, okay, I've gotten a request from Ashlesha that she has some meeting scheduled, so she will have to wind up early. I can see that she's already sitting and traveling. So jury members, can I allow her to wind up first? Okay. Ashlesha, you can unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, Harry. Good afternoon, all.
Are we ready?
Yes, I am.
Go ahead.
Yes. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Ashlesha Vitkar. I am from Solapur. It belongs in Maharashtra. However, I'm in Pune since a long time now, so I call myself a Punekar. I'm a working professional. I am into 2 roles. I'm an assistant to managing director and an HR. Totally have no idea before that I could do something like this, like get into a beauty pageant. But yes, many people told me you are beautiful. And then I myself realized that dark is also beautiful. So I decided to give it a chance. So here I am in front of you today. I love traveling. I'm a solo traveler, and my hobby is cooking. I started cooking since a very early time. Apart from that, I am a very friend person. Ideally, I'm a BE computer engineering person. However, I realized that I'm not a machine person and a people's person. So I moved to HR, and that's what my journey is. And I look forward to be with you all on the stage and showing the world that dark also is beautiful, because Indians really need to know this, that color is not beauty. So that's exactly what I'm here for. Thank you. So if you may want to ask me something.
Thank you so much, Ashlesha. Thank you. I guess that would be it. And you are free to leave, of course. And for rest of the members, I would really request all of you to keep your videos on and try clapping and smiling for the others, because that's what the spirit of the community is, right? You would like it for yourself, so I think it should be applicable for everybody. And I really request all of you to smile, because it just keeps the spirit up for everybody. And so moving forward, I shall be announcing the sequence. Thank you so much, Ashlesha. And we understanding the circumstances, you can go.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. All right, so the sequence now would be Nivedita, Prajwal, Simran, Ashi, and Arati. So please don't be nervous for the initial one. In fact, you will be sorted first. Aapka pehle khatam ho jayega, so you can enjoy the show later. So let's start with Nivedita. Nivedita, can I please hear from you?
Yeah, hi Harry, how are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I am also fine. Thank you for asking.
Are we ready?
Yes, yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hello everyone. I am Nivedita Shikdar, 21, from West Bengal, a teacher by profession and also a student pursuing my BA degree English honors. So my hobbies are cooking, singing, painting, and I also take part in esports. So I want to show you some of my paintings. These are acrylic paintings. So they are, sorry, I need to turn it. Yeah, these are acrylic paintings. Those are fast drying paints, and these are water-based paint, but it becomes dry, and when it is, I'm sorry, actually I was too nervous actually. So being a Bengali, I want to sing a song for you all. I hope you would like that. আমি পারিনি তোমাকে আবার আপন করে রাখতে, তুমি বোঝনি আমি বলিনি, তুমি স্বপ্নতে কেন আসনি, আমার অভিমান তোমাকে নিয়ে সব গেছি, গানে গানে সুরে সুরে কত কথা বলেছি তোমাকে, তুমি বোঝনি বোঝনি. So being the reason I'm here because I want to explore myself and to live a better way, and to know more about things that are new to my world. So thank you.
Thank you, Nivedita. Thank you so much. So moving ahead, it would be Prajwal next. Hi, Prajwal.
Hello, Harry. How are you?
I am good. Nivedita, can you please mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. I am good. I am good. Are we good? Are we ready?
Yeah. But can you please give me the next number? I have some technical things to do over here. I'll just give my interview after the next one. I'm so sorry, Harry.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you.
So next would be Simran. Prajwal, please अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए. Yeah. Simran, can we please have your audio?
Hello, everyone.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Go ahead.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. And yes, I'm so privileged and honored to be sharing this beautiful afternoon with all the incredible and amazing moments. So let me introduce myself. My name is Simran Saini, and I belong to a middle-class family with a philanthropic family and parents with a lot of good support. And I want to tell my interest and hobbies that I'm so much interested in dance. And I have been always a versatile student in my university or in my school times. But I'm here because I think that FC has a very big platform which gives me a chance to fulfill my own dreams and also others' dream. And I want to become a role model for every woman. So the women who really don't get opportunity to do what they want to do, what they want to become in their life. And I want to become that much capable. So that's why I'm here. Thank you. But I have prepared one dance performance for everybody. Can I start? Yes, sure. Wait. My voice is audible? His voice is audible? Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Can we stop this?
Thank you, Simran. Thank you, Simran. Thank you so much. So
Most
moving
welcome.
forward- Okay, please mute yourself so that I can proceed. Yeah. Okay, Prajwal, are we ready?
Yes, Eri.
Okay, go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Namaskar. I am Prajwal Vadetiwar, born and raised in a very beautiful place called Chandrapur, located in far east of Maharashtra state. I am a student of economics, and apart from studying, reading novels, listening music, and investing time in myself, thus keeps me at peace. My family background and my religion played a very vital role in shaping me into an empathetic, kind, and a patient individual. Amid schooling and all along my graduation's final year, I was associated with an organization called CASET and an NGO called Pravaha. Both of them equally helped me in achieving a soft corner towards the aspirational sections of the society, that is the women and the children, and made me conclude she has a lot more than what the society defines. And hence, to prove myself and in search of lot more in myself and to represent a special generation of women who are pushing forward their limits to change the world, I am sharing a platform with you all. I have written few lines and I believe them the most. मेहनत कर तेरी चुनौतियां रुक जाएगी, यूं ही चला चल तेरी किस्मत भी झुक जाएगी. And here I am to put all my efforts and hard work in achieving organization's aim of creating a like-minded community, which in turn I know is sure to make a better version of myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Prajwal. Thank you so much. Moving forward, the next sequence would be Ashi, Arati, Akshata, Kinjal, and Shruti. So, Ashi, can we please hear something from you?
Yes.
Hi, are we ready? Yes, you're audible. Okay, go ahead.
अनजाने हो तुम जो बेगाने हो तुम जो मस्ताने लगते हो क्यों तुम गहरी नींदों में जब खोए खोए हो तो मुझ में जगते हो क्यों जब तुझको पाता है दिल मुस्कुराता है क्या तुझसे है वास्ता क्या तुझ में ढूंढूं मैं क्या तुझसे चाहूं मैं क्या क्या है तुझ में मेरा जानू ना मैं तुझसे मेरा हिस्सा है क्या अजनबी अपना मुझे तू लगा. Hello everyone, this is Ashi Chadya. I am currently pursuing graduation and I am also the creative head of my society, and my hobbies and talents are one of this is singing and another is drawing. I have also my page on Instagram, that is Fresco Creation. Let me show you some of my drawings. This one is Chadwick Boseman. We all know this from Avengers. This one is Lucifer series, Netflix. This one is Tokyo from Money Heist. You all know that. And this one also Lucifer. And also I have many more on my page that I can't show you now. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashi. Thank you. So next we have is Arati. Can we please hear from you?
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hi.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are we ready?
How are you?
I am
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Thank
I'm
you for
ready.
asking. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I'm Aarti Panchal. I'm from Ahmedabad. Ma'am, just I want to ask you, am I audible properly or just it's jarring in my voice? Okay.
No, it's
Thank you.
perfect. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I'm Aarti Panchal. I'm from Ahmedabad and I'm 28 years old and I completed my CPL training and I'm just waiting for my job offer letter. And I'm coming from some kind of orthodox family, so I always wanted to prove myself. Always wanted to do something different, and being a self-dependent, so I joined the CPL training. It's a commercial pilot license, and I completed it successfully. And about my hobbies, I like driving. Uh, I can drive car, I can drive bike, I can drive scooty, and I can fly aircraft as well. And about my some other hobbies, I like to drawing, cooking, and doing yoga. And I also like to do some social working. I would like to show something the pictures about my talent. Just 1 second. Uh, can you see it clearly? It's a Ardhanarishwar, and this is the cooking which I made, and this is another painting which I did. Like it stands for Nari Shakti, and this is my pilot license, and this is my another painting, and this my which I did social work in Diwali. We collected some clothes and distribute in the slum area. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aarti. Thank you. Moving ahead, we have Akshata. Jury members, do we have the permission to proceed? Thank you. So, Akshata, can we please hear from you?
Yeah. Hi, Hari. How are you?
Hi. Aarti, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Akshata. I am good. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Go ahead.
So, hello, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm Akshata Ahire. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. I'm 27 and I'm a software developer. I work with an IT firm and my passion in life is traveling as a backpacker. And I've been to many places in and around India so far. And I also plan to do more after this pandemic is over, of course. Also, I like to dance and do yoga and sketch and read in my free time. And right now, I have prepared a small snippet of Lavani folk dance, so I'd like to present to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Akshata. Thank you so much. So next we have is Kinjal, and post Kinjal we move forward to Shruti, Ankana, Jaswinder, Arushi, Vaishali, Swati. So, can I hear from Kinjal, please?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Kinjal. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Kinjal Patil from Ahmedabad. I have completed my post-graduation in commerce. I have British here. Sorry, ma'am. फिर से start कर सकती हूँ? Continue. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Patil Kinjal from Ahmedabad. I have completed my post-graduation in commerce. I'm British here. I'm talking about my hobbies. So I love dancing and traveling with my family. The most important South Korean bands listening song. Their most inspire me. Their songs made me to think language is not barrier. And hearing, my father is Richard Raver, but my father was the biggest inspiration in my life.
Is Kinjal's voice not audible to everybody? Yeah. Kinjal, आपकी आवाज आना बंद हो चुकी है. Can't hear you.
Hello.
Yes, Kinjal. Now we can hear you. Please continue.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, network problem.
कोई बात नहीं. Continue, please.
My father is a rickshaw driver. My father was big inspiration in my life. All parents, they just sacrifice so much for their kinds. This pigeon is my childhood dreams, and fashion is my sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Kinjal, we can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. Someone people see and gossip about me and your success, but no one will kind about my dark days. So it's no on us is wasting my time for those people. What can I do? So I love doing different things. But even when things seem impossible to me, I always try to give my best and make it happen because I strongly believe that when you change the way you look at things, the things you automatically change. And this has always happened me to achieve my target. So I strongly believe myself, hard work and determination. And I think everything is possible in the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kinjal. Thank you.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. Jury members, Kinjal was 1 minute past her set time, so I just wanted to inform you that. So next would be Shruti, and I guess Aishwarya has also joined in. So the sequence would now be Shruti, Ankana, Jaswinder, Arushi, and Aishwarya. So Shruti, hi, can we hear from you, please?
Yes. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Shruti. Thank you for your time and giving me opportunity to introduce myself. So, my name is Shruti. I'm 25. and I belong to Bangalore as it's my airline base. I am born and raised in Nagpur. It's a very small town. But my journey from Nagpur to Bangalore was like a roller coaster ride, because in between I had worked in 7 organizations. I have been rejected so many times just to achieve my dream job, which is an air hostess. So I work in airline as an air hostess, where I have been rejected like 7 times, yet I kept on moving on. And now, as I was so much dedicated to this thing, I have always been appreciated as the best crew member, and I keep getting these appreciation from the company, from the passengers, for being most polite, most hardworking, and always caring, always friendly. So all these positive outcomes. So it's just I have I have not given up. Like, seeing so many struggles and obstacles, I just kept going on. So this is what I want to motivate all these young girls. And on my birthday, I went to orphanage instead of partying. So if I get an opportunity to be a part of FSIA, I really want to do for orphan kids something. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you. Moving ahead, next we have Ankana. Hi, can I please hear from you? Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Ready? Yes, you're audible. Okay,
yeah,
go ahead.
I'm ready. My name is Ankana Pal, and I am born and brought up in West Bengal. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree from Amity University in journalism and mass communication. Making travel and lifestyle contents on YouTube is my passion, so I want to be a successful YouTuber in future. So about my goal in life, I always want to work for those people who have mental health issues. I know not a lot of people do talk about mental health, and we lack awareness in our society about mental health issues. So I want to work for them. And secondly, throughout my life, I have been shamed for being overweight, and people say that you cannot be in a pageant or something like that because you are overweight. So I am here to break that stereotype and prove to those people that beauty doesn't bounded by this shape, size, and color. Moving forward, I have prepared a poem to recite. This is a very famous poem by Amrita Pritam ji. So here it is. मैं तुझे फिर मिलूंगी, कहाँ कैसे पता नहीं, शायद तेरी कल्पनाओं की प्रेरणा बन तेरे कैनवस पे उतरूंगी, एक रहस्यमय लकीर बन तुझे खामोश देखती रहूंगी, मैं तुझे फिर मिलूंगी, कहाँ कैसे पता नहीं, या फिर सूरज की एक लौ बन तेरे रंगों में घुलती रहूंगी, उन रंगों की बाहों में बैठ के तेरे कैनवस पे बिछ जाऊंगी, पता नहीं कहाँ किस तरह, पर मैं तुझे जरूर मिलूंगी, या फिर एक चश्मा बनी जैसे झरने से पानी उठता है, मैं एक पानी की बूंदे तेरे बदन पर बनूंगी और एक शीतल एहसास बनकर तेरे सीने से रहूंगी। मैं और तो कुछ नहीं जानती, बस इतना जानती हूँ कि वक्त जो भी करेगा ये जन्म मेरे साथ चलेगा। ये जिस्म खत्म होता है तो सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, पर यादों की धागे कायनात के लम्हों की तरह होते हैं। मैं उन लम्हों को चुनूंगी, मैं उन धागों को समेटूंगी और तुझे फिर मिलूंगी, पता नहीं कहाँ कैसे, पर मैं तुझे फिर मिलूंगी। Thank you.
Thank you, Ankana. Thank you so much. Jury members, Ankana was 1 minute past her scheduled time. So yeah. Next would be Jaswinder. Hi, Jaswinder.
Hello.